Shwmai a chroeso I ddril mynediad 1, uned 9, rhan 2. Shwmai and welcome to the mynediad 1, unit 9, part 2 drill. In preparation for this drill, please look over the vocabulary for this unit, as I'm sure your tutor has already told you. And as per usual, please peidiwch edrych. Please peidiwch edrych ar y drill. Please don't look at the drill as we are doing it. Sgwelwch yna, yeah? Don't read from your books or your digital copy of the course. Nawr te, yn y fideo yma, uned 9 rhan 2, dyn ni'n mynd i ddysgu. We are going to learn and we're going to expand our knowledge of the past tense verbs, asking questions using ti, chi, as well as talking about others. Yeah? Felly, I ddechrau, to begin, yeah? Drill 1, we're asking questions and defnyddio using ti, fel ddarllenais ti. Yeah, so the same thing again as with the first person, we're changing the ending. So look out for the iced T ending for the T. Yeah, so that you did something in the past tense. Yeah, felly, beth yw to read yn Gymraeg? Darllen. Ddarllenais ti lyfr ddo? Did you read a book yesterday? Ddarllenais ti lyfr ddo? Ddarllenais ti lyfr ddo? Ddarllenais ti lyfr ddo? Did you read a book yesterday? Ddarllenais ti lyfr ddo? Da iawn. Ddarllenais ti lyfr ddo? Da iawn. Felly, llawer o dreiglad, lots of mutations iawn. Felly, mae treiglad meddal fan hyn. There's a soft mutation here at the beginning. It shows that it's a question. Yeah? Otherwise, darllenais ti would be you read. So to make it a bit different, so we know it's a question, mae treiglad meddal ar y dechrau. Obviously, the tone of your voice also implies that it's a question. Hefyd, it's the same mutation as the first person, yeah? So the thing following immediately after the short form verb has soft mutation. Ond peidiwch o becso, don't worry, just gwrandewch ac ailadroddwch, os gwylwch yna. Gwrandewch, listen ac ailadroddwch. Listen and repeat, yeah? So this is going to be the same thing throughout the patterns that we're doing today. Yeah? Felly, beth yw to buy? Prynu. Brynais ti lyfr ddo? Did you buy a book yesterday? Brynais ti lyfr ddo? Did you buy a book yesterday? Brynais ti lyfr ddo? Da iawn. Brynais ti lyfr ddo? Da iawn. Ddo, ddoi, potato. Brynais ti lyfr ddo? Da iawn. Beth yw to buy eto? Prynu. Brynais ti fara ddo? Did you buy bread yesterday? Brynais ti fara ddo? Did you buy bread yesterday? Brynais ti fara ddo? Da iawn. Beth yw to eat? Bwyta neu bita, iawn? Bwyta. Fwytais ti fara ddo? Did you eat bread yesterday? Fwytais ti fara ddo? Did you eat bread yesterday? Fwytais ti fara ddo? Da iawn. Fwytais ti fara ddo? Da iawn. A mae hwn yn past tense question, iawn? Os ydych chi'n cofio, if you remember, when we're asking any past tense question, there's one type of yes or no. Seems great. So it doesn't matter who you're talking about, there's always one type of yes or no. So yes yw do. Do, iawn? Do. Think of a bird that's in the past, do, iawn? Do, do. So, fwytais ti fara ddo? Did you eat bread yesterday? Do, do. Do. So the opposite of do yw naddo, 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 naddo. No, I didn't. Naddo, naddo. Gwych. Da iawn. Da iawn chi. So dyna oedd gofyn cwestiwn there. That was asking questions using T in the past tense, yeah? Nawr, dyn ni'n symud ymlaen, we're moving on, yeah? We're talking about now, we're learning how to say what he and she drank, yeah? Coffee yw y gyd, it's a nice one, coffee, so nothing difficult to remember in terms of drink orders, yeah? Felly, yfodd Sam, we're looking at first, yfodd Sam, Sam drank. So beth yw to drink? Yfed. Yfed. Yfed's the one we're going to be focusing on, yeah? Yfed ends with ed, yeah? So when we want to say that someone did it in the past tense, we take off the ed, yeah? And then we put our ending on, yeah? Easy way to think of it is ed's roll, yeah? So yfed, of, yeah? Yfodd Sam goffi yn y caffi? Yfodd Sam goffi yn y caffi? Sam drank coffee in the cafe. Yfodd Sam goffi yn y caffi? Yfodd Sam goffi yn y caffi? Yfodd Sam goffi yn y caffi? Sam drank coffee in the cafe. In the cafe. Yfodd Sam goffi yn y caffi? Da iawn. Yfodd Sam goffi yn y caffi? So again, of goes with he, she, or it, or a name here, yeah? A wedyn, goffi has mutated softly, yeah? So it's after this, the past tense, the short form verb. Okay? So, peidiwch o becso, gwrandewch ar y droddwch. Yeah? Yfodd goffi yn y caffi? Yfodd goffi yn y caffi? He drank coffee in the caffi. Yfodd goffi yn y caffi? Yfodd goffi yn y caffi? Yfodd goffi yn y caffi? He drank coffee in the cafe. Yfodd goffi yn y caffi? Da iawn. Yfodd goffi yn y caffi? Yfodd hi goffi yn y caffi? Yfodd hi goffi in the caffi? She drank coffee in the cafe. Yfodd hi goffi yn y caffi? Yfodd hi goffi yn y caffi? Yfodd hi goffi yn y caffi? She drank coffee in the cafe. Yfodd hi goffi yn y caffi? Da iawn. Yfodd hi goffi yn y caffi? Da iawn. O, nawr te, mae hwn yn beryglus, this is dangerous. Yfodd y plant goffi yn y caffi? Yfodd y plant goffi yn y caffi? The children drank coffee in the cafe. Yfodd y plant goffi yn y caffi? 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 The children drank coffee in the cafe. Yfodd y plant goffi yn y caffi? So fan hyn, although we're talking about more than one person, a plant, it's collective, it's still a name, iawn? So we still use of here, iawn? As if it was a she, she, or an it. A fod y plant y goffi yn y caffi. Gwych, da iawn. So dyna drill 2. Drill 3 nesaf, drill 3 next, iawn? Nice, short and sweet, drill 3, yeah? So we're using the of ending again, saying what she did. We're saying what she did, yeah? So for example, gyrrodd hi. So the same thing as of, gyrrodd hi, yeah? Felly, beth yw to drive? Gyrru, gyrru, da iawn, gyrru. Gyrrodd hi i'r garage. Gyrrodd hi i'r garage. She drove to the garage. Gyrrodd hi i'r garage. Gyrrodd hi i'r garage. Gyrrodd hi i'r garage. She drove to the garage. Gyrrodd hi i'r garage. Da iawn. Gyrrodd hi i'r garage. Da iawn. Beth yw to fill? Not fill a block, but to fill something. Iawn. Llenwi. 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 So the vowel there, we knock that off and add our ending. Iawn. Llenwi. Llenwodd hi danc petrol. Llenwodd hi'r danc. Sorry, llenwodd hi'r tank petrol. She filled the petrol tank. Oh, tongue twisters. Llenwodd hi'r tank petrol. Llenwodd hi'r tank petrol. Llenwodd hi'r tank petrol. She filled the petrol tank. Llenwodd hi'r tank petrol. Da iawn. Llenwodd hi'r tank petrol. Da iawn. Beth yw to pay? Talu. 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 Iawn, so again, knock off the you, add the of. Talodd hi'r bill. Talodd hi'r bill. She paid the bill. Talodd hi'r bill. Talodd hi'r bill. Talodd hi'r bill. She paid the bill. Talodd hi'r bill. Da iawn. Talodd hi'r bill. Gwych. A beth yw to drive eto? Dych chi'n cofio to drive? Gyrru. Gyrru. Gan off the you, add the of, gyrrodd. Gyrrodd hi adre. Gyrrodd hi adre. She drove home. Gyrrodd hi adre. Gyrrodd hi adre. Gyrrodd hi adre. She drove home. Gyrrodd hi adre. Da iawn. Gyrrodd hi adre. Gyrrodd hi adre. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Da iawn. Dyna ddiwedd drill 3. That's the end of drill 3. Yeah? So dyn ni wedi edrych tipyn. We've looked a little bit at the third person singular. So that's he, she or it. And the ending there was of. Yeah? Nawr, dyn ni'n symud ymlaen. We're moving on. Drill 4 nawr. Drill 4. Dyn ni'n siarad am ni and nhw. We're talking about what we and they did. So we're going to start off by saying edrychon ni. So on ni. On ni is the endings that we want now, yeah? Saying what we did. Edrychon ni, yeah? So beth yw to look at? Edrych ar. Edrych ar, yeah? So edrychon ni ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychon ni ar y teledu neithiwr. We looked at or we watched the television last night. Edrychon ni ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychon ni ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychon ni ar y teledu neithiwr. We watched television last night. Edrychon ni ar y teledu neithiwr. Da iawn. Edrychon ni ar y teledu neithiwr. Da iawn. So can you see the on ni ending there? So iawn, that's the ni ending that we did something in the past. On ni. Yeah? Felly, beth yw to listen to? Gwrando ar. gwrando ar. Gwrando ar, iawn? Gwrandawon ni, mae'n yn odd nawr, iawn, this is a difficult one. Gwrandawon ni ar y radio neithiwr. Gwrandawon ni ar y radio neithiwr. We listened to the radio last night. Gwrandawon ni ar y radio neithiwr. Gwrandawon ni ar y radio neithiwr. Gwrandawon ni ar y radio neithiwr. We listened to the radio last night. Gwrandawon ni ar y radio neithiwr. Da iawn. Gwrandawon ni ar y radio neithiwr. Da iawn. Beth yw to stay? Wait. Aros. 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 Arhoson ni yn y tŷ neithiwr. Arhoson ni yn y tŷ neithiwr. We stayed in the house last night. Arhoson ni yn y tŷ neithiwr. Arhoson ni yn y tŷ neithiwr. Arhoson ni yn y tŷ neithiwr. We stayed in the house last night. Arhoson ni yn y tŷ neithiwr. Da iawn. Arhoson ni yn y tŷ neithiwr. Yn y ddrodwm the added hy. Mae'n ddi aros iawn. Arhoson ni yn y tŷ neithiwr. Beth yw to read yn Gymraeg? Darllen. 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 Darllenon ni lyfr neithiwr. Darllenon ni lyfr neithiwr. We read a book last night. Darllenon ni lyfr neithiwr. Darllenon ni lyfr neithiwr. Darllenon ni lyfr neithiwr. We read a book last night. Darllenon ni lyfr neithiwr. Da iawn. Darllenon ni lyfr neithiwr. Again, mae hwn yn achosi causes a treigad meddal fan hyn. Yeah? Same things with the other people we talked about in the past. Yeah? Gwych. Da iawn chi. So we looked at the on ni. Dyn ni'n symud ymlaen. We're moving on now to on no, talking about they did in the past. Yeah? So mae'n debyg iawn. It sounds very similar to what we did. So instead of saying on ni, we're saying on no. Yeah? So edrychon nhw. They watched. We're using the same type of verbs. Yeah? So gobeithio bod chi'n cofio. Hopefully remember the types of verbs we used. Yeah? So, edrychon nhw ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychon nhw ar y teledu neithiwr. They watched the television last night. Edrychon nhw ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychon nhw ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychon nhw ar y teledu neithiwr. They watched television last night. Edrychon nhw ar y teledu neithiwr. Da iawn. Edrychon nhw ar y teledu neithiwr. So see, that's all we've changed. It's changed the ni to a nhw, and it changes the meaning, yeah? So edrychon nhw ar y teledu. They watched the television, yeah? So yr un peth eto, same thing again. Gwrandawon nhw ar y radio neithiwr. Gwrandawon nhw ar y radio neithiwr. They listened to the radio last night. Gwrandawon nhw ar y radio neithiwr. Gwrandawon nhw ar y radio neithiwr. Gwrandawon nhw ar y radio neithiwr. They listened to the radio last night. Gwrandawon nhw ar y radio neithiwr. Da iawn. Gwrandawon nhw ar y radio neithiwr. Da iawn. Arhoson nhw yn y tŷ neithiwr. Arhoson nhw yn y tŷ neithiwr. They stayed in the house last night. Arhoson nhw yn y tŷ neithiwr. Arhoson nhw yn y tŷ neithiwr. Arhoson nhw yn y tŷ neithiwr. They stayed in the house last night. Arhoson nhw yn y tŷ neithiwr. Da iawn. Arhoson nhw yn y tŷ neithiwr. Da iawn. Darllenon nhw lyfr neithiwr. Darllenon nhw lyfr neithiwr. They read a book last night. Darllenon nhw lyfr neithiwr. Darllenon nhw lyfr neithiwr. Darllenon nhw lyfr neithiwr. They read a book last night. Darllenon nhw lyfr neithiwr. Da iawn. Darllenon nhw lyfr neithiwr. Da iawn. Da iawn chi. Iawn, so dych chi wedi wneud, you've done, saying that we've done something, darllenon ni, and that they've done something, darllenon nhw. Nawr, dyn ni'n mynd i edrych, we're going to look at the questions, iawn, in relation to what we've just said. So we're using the same verbs again, but we're asking, edrychoch chi, iawn? So edrychoch chi. So edrychoch chi ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychoch chi ar y teledu neithiwr. Did you watch television last night? Edrychoch chi ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychoch chi ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychoch chi ar y teledu neithiwr. Did you watch television last night? Edrychoch chi ar y teledu neithiwr. Da iawn. Edrychoch chi ar y teledu neithiwr. So, exact same place again. We've taken away the on ni or the on nhw. And we've put on, och, chi in place of it, yeah? You don't have to say the och, chi as two separate things. Dych chi'n gallu dweud edrychoch chi. Yeah? It's like you're saying the one ch. Edrychoch chi. Edrychoch chi. Yeah? Felly, nesaf. Cwestiwn yw yn cofiwch, questions, the soft notation o'r dechrau, iawn. Wrandawoch chi ar y radio neithiwr. Wrandawoch chi ar y radio neithiwr. Did you listen to the radio last night? Wrandawoch chi ar y radio neithiwr. Wrandawoch chi ar y radio neithiwr. Wrandawoch chi ar y radio neithiwr. Did you listen to the radio last night? Wrandawoch chi ar y radio neithiwr. Da iawn. Wrandawoch chi ar y radio neithiwr. Da iawn. So eto, treiglad meddal because it's a question. Yeah? Arhosoch chi yn y tŷ neithiwr. Arhosoch chi yn y tŷ neithiwr. Did you stay in the house last night? Arhosoch chi yn y tŷ neithiwr. Arhosoch chi yn y tŷ neithiwr. Did you stay in the house last night? Arhosoch chi yn y tŷ neithiwr. Da iawn. Arhosoch chi yn y tŷ neithiwr. Da iawn. Ddarllenoch chi lyfr neithiwr. Ddarllenoch chi lyfr neithiwr. Did you read a book last night? Ddarllenoch chi lyfr neithiwr. Ddarllenoch chi lyfr neithiwr. Ddarllenoch chi lyfr neithiwr. Did you read a book last night? Ddarllenoch chi lyfr neithiwr. Da iawn. Ddarllenoch chi lyfr neithiwr. Da iawn. Ac wrth gwrs, of course, the correct forms of yeses and nos for the past tense are, dych chi'n cofio? What's the extinct bird? Dodo. Yeah? Felly, ddarllenwch chi lyfr neithiwr? Do. 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 Da iawn. Do. Ddarllenwch chi lyfr neithiwr? Naddo. 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 No, I didn't. Gwych. Da iawn. Dych chi'n gwybod nawr, should you ofyn y cwestiynau, you know to ask the questions in the past tense, so chi. Iawn? Un ar ôl, nawr un drill ar ôl. Drill 6, iawn. A dyn ni wedi edrych ar statements. Dyn ni wedi edrych, we've looked at cwestiynau, we've looked at questions. Un peth, one thing we haven't edrych ar, yw negyddol, so negatives, saying that you didn't do something. So go and say, I didn't, yeah? For example, edrychais I ddim. So the negative comes after, yeah? Felly, edrychais I ddim ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychais I ddim ar y teledu neithiwr. I didn't watch television last night. Edrychais I ddim ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychais I ddim ar y teledu neithiwr. Edrychais I ddim ar y teledu neithiwr. I didn't watch television last night. Edrychais I ddim ar y teledu neithiwr. Da iawn. Edrychais I ddim ar y teledu neithiwr. Da iawn. Nawr, wrandawais I ddim ar y radio neithiwr. Wrandawais I ddim ar y radio neithiwr. I didn't listen to the radio last night. Wrandawais I ddim ar y radio neithiwr. Wrandawais I ddim ar y radio neithiwr. Wrandawais I ddim ar y radio neithiwr. I didn't listen to the radio last night. Wrandawais I ddim ar y radio neithiwr. Da iawn. Wrandawais I ddim ar y radio neithiwr. Felly, mae treiglad meddal fyna. There's a soft mutation fyna because it's a negative. So questions are negatives. We use a soft mutation sometimes. Yeah, at the beginning of the sentence. Ond peidiwch o becso, just gwrandewch, ailadroddwch. Listen and repeat, yeah? Arhosais I ddim yn y tŷ neithiwr. Arhosais I ddim yn y tŷ neithiwr. I didn't stay in the house last night. Arhosais I ddim yn y tŷ neithiwr. Arhosais I ddim yn y tŷ neithiwr. Arhosais I ddim yn y tŷ neithiwr. I didn't stay in the house last night. Arhosais I ddim yn y tŷ neithiwr. Da iawn. Arhosais I ddim yn y tŷ neithiwr. Da iawn. Yr un olaf, iawn. Ddarllenais I ddim lyfr neithiwr. Ddarllenais I ddim lyfr neithiwr. I didn't read a book last night. Ddarllenais I ddim llyfr neithiwr. 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 I didn't read a book last night. Ddarllenais I ddim llyfr neithiwr. Da iawn. Ddarllenais I ddim llyfr neithiwr. Da iawn. We have been mutating llyfr to lyfr, haven't we? Because it's become directly after the short form verb. Ond nawr, ddim is in between it. Yeah? So does dim treiglad, there's no mutation. The ddim takes the treiglad instead. Yeah? Hapus? Gobeithio'ch bod chi'n hapus. Da iawn chi, da iawn. Wff, mae drill naw, mae uned naw yn un hir. Unit 9 is a long unit, felly da iawn chi, wir, well done for completing Rhan 2, part 2 of Uned 9. I hope this has prepared you for your next online lesson with your tutor, with your class, iawn. Gobeithio gwelwn i chi yn y drill nesaf. Hope to see you in the next drill. Don't forget to practice what you've learned by using the resources and the links. And of course, ewch mas, go out, codwch y ffôn, pick up the phone, ac ewch chat, sgwrs bach yn Gymraeg. Ia? Hwyl am y tro.